morning. My name is Mrs. Hina Jaising,
Deepa Sarangam.
Deepa Shah.
Masters in Special Education from India Ascending College.
Training in Balavidyalaya, Chennai.
I did my degree from Manipal University in Kerala, Balavikas Training Center as a special educator.
I started one resource room in 1993 in a regular school. There I started this with just 5 kids, and it was a Montessori school. Later on I went to the high school. Special education means every child is educable, no matter whatever difficulties and disability he has. In spite of these drawbacks, he can be coached, he can be educated.
Why I came to this field means my son is an autistic boy.
For my own son, he was having hearing impairment. We had diagnosed his problem when he was 7 months, and then he was attending the school. It was a special school for hearing impaired in Balavidyalaya, Madras.
In this class, there are 11 students aging from 3 to 10 years, and they possess different difficulties like autistic features, Down syndrome, and features of ADHD.
And I'm very happy working with these children, and I enjoy my teaching because each of them give me a challenge every day. Every day we learn lot of things from them. So it's like learning every day for us. Learning experience is there every day.
Each of my students have got a really good talent, I should say. He's very good in lines and all that curves. This is a born talent, he didn't learn it from anyone and anything.
Well, I don't remember. As far as I know, my parents found it out in my home only back in 2008.
So what age you started drawing?
9.
At the age of 9.
Yeah.
What is 4th of May 2011?
Where is he?
24th May 2011.
Tuesday.
So I can go back, to the history means any 50 years, 60 years back. But he can do that.
I built a robot out of an old car, remote control car that's not working.
Basically, what I want to say about Josh is he has got that, whatever picture you put in front of him, he can just give the photocopy of that picture. Yeah? You all agree with me?
Yeah. And the one more, the technique, he is give the outline very good.
Very good outline.
He'll not move out from
and,
this thing.
And he, anything you put it is like as if you have taken a photo of it. So that much accuracy, very perfect he is in drawing.
I'm a class teacher of grade 4, and we do have integrated students coming into our class. It's really a different experience because the ones who are the regular streams get along quite well with them, and even they find themselves very comfortable.
In the future, they can have some economic development. They should be able to stand on their own feet, and they can be mainstream to the normal society.
And then I'm sure that they'll be coming out of their problems, and then they will be able to do whatever talents are there. Means each of them are having a special thing. Like one child is good in
Art and jewelry making. Some are very good at candle making. Someone will do the card making and all.
This was but just a tiny peek at a school with a resource room facility in Dubai. Now just imagine the possibilities if every single school had such a tool for integration of such brilliant kids that exist in our society today. Isn't it just worth illuminating these gifted minds? After all, aren't children our future?